Hey, have you seen those flashy posts about Meta-Pro.Space, promising you huge earnings, just for signing up, or referring a friend? Binance Square, hashed it waving red flags, Meta-Pro.Space says you can buy NFTs, soldier, commander, minister, chief minister, prince, king, ranging from a few bucks to millions of taka. They throw around buzzwords like smart contracts, instant wallet payouts, royalty commissions. You pay for slots to get these NFTs. The more you spend, the higher your rank. Supposedly the bigger your income. Most of it depends on bringing in new people. Half their money goes to the referrer, the other half spills to uplines. Classic referral scheme. They also promise royalty NFTs with monthly payouts. But ask yourself, is there a real product, or is all the money just coming from new joiners? That's the textbook definition of a Ponzi scheme. And get this, in Bangladesh, some users claim they can't even withdraw, even though payouts were promised as instant, through apps like Bakash or Rocket. Huge red flag. So what's the takeaway? If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your own research. Don't get fooled by shiny promises or complicated jargon. If you want to learn about legit NFT projects, let me know. Stay smart and stay safe.